Hey guys, well in today's video we're going to announce the winner for the C25 XP giveaway. Before we do that, I want to thank CNC4PC and Arturo for offering these products for me to be able to give away on my YouTube channel. I've been using products from CNC4PC for several years. Way back with my first build, I used products from CNC4PC, and I've been purchasing stuff from Arturo throughout the years. And when the ATC project came up, I needed to make a change from the C11GS. Arturo was happy enough to offer me this beta test these boards for him, and I can't tell you, it's been working flawless. I haven't had any issues out of any of these boards since I've installed them. They work really well, they're really simple, and so I want to thank Arturo for offering this stuff up, making such a great product. It's really nice to have something that's really easy to use and set up. To recap, the winner is going to receive the C25 XP with the Ethernet smooth stepper from Warp 9, a DIN rail mount, which I don't have here, but a DIN rail support. Also the M26 12 relay expansion board. This is going to be very useful for functionality for turning on coolant, actuating air cylinders for the power drawbar. I'm using mine for the stack light, so really works well. It's going to come with the ribbon cable to go from the C25 XP over to the M26. Very easy to set that up on port 3. Just plug the ribbon cable up. Very nice system. So now it's time to announce the lucky winner for the C25 XP giveaway. To be honest with you, everyone's a winner, because when I spoke to Arturo today, he informed me that everyone that entered into the giveaway is going to receive a 20% off coupon that you can use for whatever you want on your next purchase. So let's thank Arturo for that. 20% off is a big deal when you're trying to gather up components for all of your project. So trying to go through all the entries and pick a final winner was pretty difficult, to be honest with you. We narrowed it down to about 4 names, and from the 4 names we really couldn't decide. Everyone was equally deserving of this giveaway, so we just put the names in a hat. Actually, it was a box, and we just drew a name. And the lucky winner for the C25 XP giveaway is Steve Berry. So Steve, congratulations. You'll be getting notified from Arturo, and he'll get these components shipped out to you. Guys, I want to thank everyone who entered into the giveaway. I want to thank Arturo and CNC4PC again for allowing us to be able to do this. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, click on that subscribe button down there below. That way when I post a new video, they'll send you a link, and if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check that out. If you're getting ready to do a CNC project, or you're in the middle of one and you need anything on the electronic side, don't forget to stop by CNC4PC. They've got everything from servo motors to limit switches to software, you name it. They've pretty much got everything you need for a CNC project. So stop by CNC4PC and take a look at that. Again, I want to congratulate Steve Berry for the C25 XP giveaway. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.